Let's dive into the art of making progressive house piano chords. We'll start by building a foundation of compelling chord progressions. Progressive house often uses longer chord progressions, creating a journey for the listener. A common and effective starting point is a progression like C major to G major to A minor to F major. Now, let's talk about voicings. This is how you arrange the notes within each chord. Instead of just playing root position chords, try spreading out the notes, especially by bringing the third or fifth up into a higher octave. This creates a richer, more open sound that's characteristic of progressive house. For a C major chord, try playing C, G, E, and then C an octave higher. Next, inversions are your best friend. Using inversions means playing chords with notes other than the root note in the bass. For example, instead of C, G, try GC or GCE. This helps to smooth out the transitions between chords, making your progression flow more naturally and creating that quintessential progressive feel. Now for a crucial technique: layering. In progressive house, we often layer multiple piano sounds to create depth and texture. You might layer a bright, sustained piano sound with a softer, slightly detuned pad sound. Experiment with different piano presets and synths to find combinations that create a unique sonic signature for your track. Finally, let's implement rhythm and articulation. Don't just play static chords. Consider retriggering notes, adding gentle staccatos or sustained notes, and using velocity variations to give your piano chords a sense of movement and emotion. This dynamic approach is key to creating that progressive feel that builds and evolves. With these techniques, strong progressions, thoughtful voicings, smart inversions, creative layering, and dynamic articulation, you're well on your way to crafting those captivating progressive house piano chords that will truly resonate.